Today we're diving into a crucial topic, assessing speaking skills in the comprehension-based language classroom. We all know how vital it is to ensure our students can not only understand, but also effectively communicate in the target language. In this video, I'm going to share with you my top 5 strategies for assessing speaking skills. These strategies have been tried and tested in my classroom over the years, and I'm excited to pass them on to you. We'll cover everything from one-on-one conversations to self-assessment, so stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of assessment techniques that can truly elevate your language teaching game. My name is Scott, and you're watching Immediate Immersion, where we're all about comprehension-based instruction in the modern language classroom. We'll be right back. There's a dynamic strategy that stands as a cornerstone of assessing speaking skills: conducting regular oral assessments through one-on-one conversations or small group discussions. This approach is not just about evaluating language proficiency, it's about nurturing it. Imagine a classroom where students engage in lively conversations or small group discussions, expressing their thoughts, feelings, and ideas in the target language. These interactions are like language laboratories, providing you, the teacher, with invaluable insights into your students' progress. Regular oral assessments open the door to authentic, real-world language use, offering a glimpse into the practical application of their language skills. By engaging in these one-on-one or group conversations, you can gauge their comprehension, fluency, pronunciation, and overall communication abilities. It's an opportunity to witness their growth firsthand and tailor your teaching to their specific needs. These assessments also foster a comfortable, supportive environment that encourages students to step out of their comfort zones, make mistakes, and learn from them, a crucial aspect of language acquisition. The use of performance-based tasks like presentations and role plays not only evaluates, but also enhances students' speaking proficiency. It's a strategy that transforms language learning into a dynamic and interactive journey. Picture this: your classroom becomes a stage where students showcase their linguistic prowess. Through presentations, they not only convey their thoughts, but also captivate their peers with their ideas, using the target language as their medium of expression. These tasks encourage them to delve deep into the language, grasp complex concepts, and present them coherently, nurturing both fluency and accuracy. Role plays, on the other hand, transport students into real-life scenarios, allowing them to apply their language skills in authentic situations. Whether they're negotiating a business deal, ordering food in a restaurant, or conducting an interview, role plays push them to think on their feet, adapt to various contexts, and communicate effectively. Skills essential for real-world language use. Beyond assessment, these performance-based tasks are empowering experiences. They instill confidence, encourage creativity, and provide a platform for self-expression. One vital key to effectively evaluating student speaking skills is to provide clear criteria and rubrics. Think of them as the roadmap that guides both teachers and students towards the destination of pronunciation perfection, fluency finesse, and accuracy acumen. Clear criteria and rubrics are like the North Star in language assessment. They bring clarity to the assessment process, allowing both teachers and students to understand what's expected. When assessing pronunciation, for instance, specific criteria can outline the correct articulation of sounds, stress patterns, and intonation. This clarity empowers students to target their pronunciation challenges systematically, while teachers can provide precise feedback to guide improvement. Fluency, the smooth flow of speech, is another aspect where clear criteria shine. Rubrics can describe fluency indicators like the pace of speech, the use of fillers, and the ability to maintain a conversation. With these benchmarks, students can work on enhancing their fluency step by step, while teachers can provide targeted guidance. Accuracy, the precision of language use, is equally important. Criteria for accuracy can define expectations for correct grammar, vocabulary choice, and idiomatic expressions. A well-structured rubric here ensures that students grasp not just the what, but the how of accurate language usage. In essence, clear criteria and rubrics serve as the guiding compass in language assessment, helping both teachers and students navigate the seas of pronunciation, fluency, and accuracy. A transformative technique for assessing speaking skills is to record and analyze students' oral performances. Think of it as capturing a moment in their language learning journey and then fine-tuning it to perfection. Recording oral performances provides a unique perspective. It allows both students and teachers to revisit and dissect their spoken words. When students hear themselves speak, they often gain insights into areas that need improvement, whether it's pronunciation nuances, fluency hiccups, or grammatical slip-ups. But recording isn't just about playback, it's about analysis. You can meticulously dissect these recordings, identifying strengths and weaknesses. This granular approach enables you to offer targeted feedback, guiding students towards more polished speaking skills. It also allows you to track progress over time, showcasing the tangible results of their hard work and dedication. In today's tech-savvy world, recording and analysis have never been easier, thanks to digital tools like Flip.com and Vocaroo. Are you ready to take your assessment and grading skills to the next level? Look no further. I'm thrilled to introduce you to our Assessment Academy, a game-changing 10-part webinar series that's set to revolutionize the way you assess language proficiency in your comprehension-based classroom. In this unique program, we'll dive deep into the art and science of assessment, covering everything from proficiency-based grading to practical tips and tricks that you won't find anywhere else. Whether you're just getting started or you have a few years under your belt, this Academy is designed to empower you with the knowledge and tools to assess with confidence and precision. And here's the best part. You can join us live for each session, or if your schedule doesn't permit, access the replays until the end of 2024. That's right, no rush, no pressure, just in-depth learning at your own pace. Don't miss out on this unparalleled opportunity to elevate your assessment game. Register now for our Assessment Academy at mm.us/academy and unlock a world of assessment excellence. Self-reflection and self-assessment are powerful strategies that empower students to take the reins of their language proficiency. Imagine your students as language explorers, equipped with mirrors that follow them to examine their own linguistic landscapes. Self-reflection encourages them to pause and ponder their speaking journey, contemplating their achievements in areas that require further development. This practice fosters self-awareness, motivating them to set realistic language goals and chart their progress. Self-assessment, on the other hand, transforms students into their own language judges. By providing clear assessment criteria and rubrics, you enable them to evaluate their speaking skills objectively. They can pinpoint their strengths and pinpoint areas needing improvement. This process not only enhances their comprehension of what makes proficient speaking, but also instills a sense of responsibility for their own language development. Together, self-reflection and self-assessment empower students to become active participants in their language learning journey. By conducting regular oral assessments, using performance-based tasks, providing clear criteria, recording and analyzing student performances, and encouraging self-reflection, you can truly empower your students to excel in their speaking abilities. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with assessing speaking skills, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me here at Immediate Immersion. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, happy comprehensible input.